Yes, namaskar and welcome to our late afternoon news magazine Parikrama. In the words of Rabindranath Tagore, clouds come floating into my life, no longer to carry rain or usher storm, but to add color to my sunset sky. And we are here to give you all the latest news trending from across the country and the world. And in this program, we also feature developmental reports sent to us by our newsmen spread across different regions of our country. And towards the very end of our program, we'll pay our rich tributes to those prominent people associated with today's date. Today is 13th of August. Let's get started with the news. And now let's take you to Manipur, where farming community of the state is worried about their very most abundant available product, the pineapple, due to the pandemic and lockdown. However, Chief Minister N. Biren Singh instructed the concerned authorities to procure the products from the spot and distribute it for local consumption and export outside the state. Here is a success story from our Imphal correspondent, J.J. Phokchom.
Pineapple is a major horticulture product of Manipur, and the queen variety of pineapple grown in the state have high demand outside the state. The prevailing weather conditions and the support given under Manipur Organic Mission Agency MOMA of Department of Horticulture has made the cultivation of pineapple a sustainable way of economy for farmers, said Project Director of MOMA K. Devdatta Sharma.
We have two varieties of pineapple. One is Q and one is Queen. Queen is smaller, very sweet. Our pineapple uniqueness is that it is much sweeter than any other Queen varieties available elsewhere. Our pineapple uniqueness is already known by the customers now in Delhi, in Bangalore, Chandigarh, in Mumbai, and many big cities of India. So their demand is very high. Pineapple becomes one of the most suited crops in Manipur, and the scope for pineapple production is huge. We need to keep on expanding the area for quality production.
Recently, the state government has initiated procurement of surplus pineapple products from the farmers during the lockdown period in Manipur. The initiative has avoided wastage of pineapple products and given relief to the farmers who were worried for the pineapple, which regarded highly perishable fruit. MOMA, under the guidance of the state chief minister N. Biren Singh, procure the product from the farmers through many agencies and supply it to food processing companies and local consumption.
Whatever we have been doing with the procurement of all the possible products, highly perishable products, which are suffering from distress sale during the COVID pandemic lockdown, particularly in curfew. This initiative is mainly done by or led by our Honorable Chief Minister. Honorable Chief Minister has also launched one scheme that is market intervention for values and marketing of horticulture producers during COVID pandemic. We are utilizing our farmers producer companies, having procuring different items, different vegetables from hills and valleys, wherever problems are there. We go there, we happen to just meet them personally, and we talk how we can procure the surplus product that they have in their field or elsewhere in the aggregation center.
The pineapples are grown in almost hill districts of Manipur, and every year around 12,000 metric tons are produced. Now the fruits are also grown by registered farmers under Mission Organic Value Chain Development for the Northeastern region. The state government has already started airlifting the products to different cities of India, including Delhi, Mumbai, Ludhiana and Chandigarh, etc., with the assistance from a local private company. J.J. Thoksom from Imphal for Parikrama.
That's it in our ride of Parikrama today. Thank you for tuning in. Have a great evening ahead. Namaskar.